smells wonderful. I didn't know you could picture either.
Well, I can do lots of things, Hetty. Maybe just shut your eyes and picture yourself lying on a soft feather mattress. Oh, you feel so light, like you're lying in a cloud. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, and under your head, oh, there's a lovely scented pillow. All smells of lavender and roses and chamomile. Have you picked that day? Now, snuggle down into your beautiful, thick quilt. Oh, it feels so cozy, warm and safe, doesn't it? Like a great big hug.
Don't leave me, Ida.
No, I won't. I'll stay here all night, I promise. So don't you worry about nothing. You just shut your eyes and have happy dreams. One day, all your dreams will come true.
Hetty Feather. Well, you look suitably chastened. Are you truly sorry? Or must they leave you in here for one more day?
Oh, no. I'm truly sorry. Thank you.
I believe you are. Good. Follow me. We have some new arrivals. You old girls will have to help them wash and dress. Uniforms on, girls. Hetty Feather will help you.
Answer.
They don't want to be there. Will you be my friend?
Maybe. Move along.
They
Answer.
want to see their mother. They cut my hair off.
Yeah. Little grey back. Move
They
along.
don't want to be there.
Answer.
They want to see their mothers.
Move along. Oh. Are you Hetty Feather? Yes. You're my sister. Oh.
Eliza. Little Eliza?
Yes.
I can't believe that you can remember me.
Jem told me all about you. He said you'd look after me.
It's my secret.
But we're sisters, so you can tell me anything. Well, as soon as I'm grown up, me and Jem, we're gonna get married. We're gonna wear a beautiful long dress and a veil, and guess where we're gonna live? In our squirrel house. It's a tree house in the woods. Me and Jem used to play there all the time. Oh, but you can come and live there too if you like. I'm sure Jen won't mind.
I don't think there'll be room for me.
Of course there will. I know. You can be our servant girl. I'm out of lessons. I'll see you soon. Sister. Jem? Jem, how could you?
All right, Hetty. What's the matter?
You took Eliza to our place. You said you were going to marry her.
I didn't mean it. She was upset about coming here. I was just trying to cheer her up.
What about what you said to me? Did you mean that?
Oh, you didn't believe all that, did you?
Of course I did. You promised.
We were just little children. It was just a game.
Not to me.
Goodbye, Hetty.
Goodbye, Jem. My future was plain. I was Hetty Feather, a foundling, imprisoned in a hospital. I was going to be a drudge for the rest of my days.
Cheer up, Hetty. I came here especially to help in the kitchen.
I don't want to be a stupid servant.
All right then, Miss High and Mighty, tell me how you're going to earn your own living then.
I'm going to be a circus rider.
Ah, a circus rider.
Yes. Like my real mother. What? My real mother is Madame Adeline. She's the going to come to take me away from this place to live with her. Is she? Or have you been picturing again? I think so. Too old for them silly daydreams, Hetty. You've got to be practical. Work hard. Make something of your life. Now come and help me fill these cars. No, I'm not going to be your skivvy. I'd rather be in the workhouse. All right then. I'll choose one of the officers. Sheila. Mother Madeline, as soon as I can, I'm going to run away from this place to find you. I will be waiting, my little star.
Girls, I have a very important announcement to make. As you all know, our beloved Queen has ruled over us for 50 glorious years. And to help celebrate her Golden Jubilee, you are all invited to a festive celebration next Thursday on Hyde Park.
Hyde Park?
Outside!
And mind your manners while we're out. Especially you, Hetty Feather.